Hi, I'm Jana McDermott. I work at Country Hill Farm and I'm also a former student of this course. I was excited to try the new product my local feed store was carrying. It's a chopped bedding made of straw. I wasn't thrilled about the packaging, but I thought it made sense in the snow when it's hard to get to the shavings in the container. So we have the chopped straw in this stall and we have the bulk shavings in this stall. So after one night when both stalls were being used, we came to clean them in the morning. This is what we found. The chopped straw doesn't look quite as bright, so even after it was cleaned, the appearance was a lot darker. Also, it wasn't as easy to sift out the manure, and it seems less absorbent. The shavings also seem to be more comfortable and insulating and offer more volume than the chopped straw. I was concerned when I saw one of the horses eat the chopped straw, as I've never seen any of the horses eat the shavings. Finally, where do we store the straw? Keeping it in the barn is a fire hazard, and keeping it where we currently store the bulk shavings is no more convenient.